Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Morph filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and in trending section, just slide up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, then you will see pictures from your camera roll. Browse the picture you want. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and that's it. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then go to discover and here search for shape shifting. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Just tap there to use this effect likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and open it with TikTok. You need to open it with TikTok. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen or tap on open app. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.